Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Everything with me. Today we are going to learn how to make a greeting card with Procreate. So let us start. So first we'll make the new canvas and the size is 12 inch by 12 inches and also the DPI should be 300. We are going to take the drawing guide on and then let us just expand this so that we can cover everything in this. Yeah, so now we have got the four shapes. So let us start. Take the brush of your choice here and let us start writing the calligraphy first. So I'm writing with the calligraphy and it's happy birthday. So you can use many brushes. There are multiple brushes in this Procreate app and you can practice like I'm playing with all these brushes. You can see. Okay, now let's go for the next one. Yeah, so we can also go with this text. You can select your choice, your font, your style. Yeah, let us write happy birthday. Here we go. Yeah, we can just adjust the setting if you want. Also, we can add some other text or other font you want. Yeah, so I'm just playing around with the fonts as you can see. There's, yeah, okay. Yeah, this also looks cool. Mm-hmm. So in this way we can make a simple and sweet card as I'm going to show you now. Again, we have made the canvas of 12 by 12 inch. Okay, select the color and just you can draw the simple designs at the corner of this card. If just suppose that this is a card, and if you want to make a simple and cute happy birthday card for your loved ones, like when we give gifts to someone, and we just want to put one card simple in on which it is written just happy birthday. So yeah, you can go with it. Fill out the colors. Of course, it's of your choice. Okay, I'm just doing the finishing of the lines, but basically, actually, it looks cute when it's not totally perfect. Okay, I'm using this now, calligraphy and streaks. You can just check how it works. Use the pens, adjust the size, and use this monoline. I just love writing in the monoline brush. That's it. Happy birthday. So here we go with this cute and simple happy birthday card. When we give any written gift or something to our, birthday friends, you can just add this happy birthday card of your choice of size and just give it for the print, and you can put it in your bag. Let us start with the other greeting card, which is little big and will take time, of course. Okay, so this is a circle. You can just hold the circle for a longer time. As we can see that this is not a proper circle. Okay, now it is a circle. Okay, just leave. Let's just make the opacity low, and also just make this card in the make the circle in the center. Here we go. Now I'm doing a drawing on the line of the circle. So I just love to draw the flowers and leaves. Yeah, so as you can see, actually it looks cool when it is drawn and colored nicely on the borders. And then we can print this out. Wow. Slowly, it's like it's looking very cute. Some kind of tiara it looks, right? Enough for this video. So in the next video we are going to check, we are going to color and we are going to make this card more pretty and beautiful. So till then, take care and happy learning.